Stop the press, stop the press. Put everything on hold. The West Indies T20 cricketers not just won a match, but they won the series against South Africa in South Africa. And yes, we must celebrate and savor the moment, but let's not get too excited. The West Indian batsmen will not be traveling around the world with those South African flat pitches in them pocket. And they will not be playing every game and every series at the Wanderers or at Super Sport Park. They will have to play smarter, less predictable, one-dimensional hit-and-miss cricket when the pitches not flat like Willie Penny. Yes. Plus, the West Indies bowling is weak. Alzari Joseph's fifer in this deciding game was pivotal in winning the series. But overall, the West Indies bowling is all over the place. So make we just cool down the temperature a little bit. They won a series against a reasonable opponent, but eventually, the West Indies have to go import some bowler. Yes. We can't carry them in duty free. Use up the concession. But we have to import some bowlers, whether spin or pace. And we have to do it with pace. Yes, we can fight.